This is the plank with overhead reach and I will show you how to do it. You can buy my workout programs as well as other merchandise in my webshop, link in the description under this video. This exercise can be performed with straight arms or from the elbows. So, you will start in a push-up position with hands under shoulders or in a half plank position with elbows under shoulders. From a plank, reach one arm straight in front of you, shifting your weight as little as possible. Bring it back down and reach with the other arm. Keep your hips low and still while you do this, as if nothing were moving at all. This challenges general trunk stability and the entire abdominal wall.